In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can get Blast Core. This is a pretty late game item. What you need to do is head across to the Dry Valley biome, wherever that is for you. For me, it's really far away from my house. Then find yourself a cave entrance and get inside. As soon as you go through the cave, it'll mark it on your map for future reference. Just keep in mind, inside of here is really hot, so you'll need probably 1, 2, preferably 3 cool-headed charms, or 2 of these, and a snowberry shake to get the last bit of cool done, so you don't take passive damage while you're just walking around. We will be going right up to lava, though I don't think the temperature changes too much. What we're doing is we're looking down towards the lava and super hot areas, looking around for something that looks a bit suspicious, like a living creature. You'll see exactly what I mean in a moment. You're looking for something that looks like these rollers, but it's not these rollers. It's difficult to explain, but usually near the lava you'll find these kinds of things poking out of the ground, except they smoke and they're very angry. These are just normal sand rollers for some reason, but you are supposed to find the other type in here as well, assuming you're lucky. Oh, not to mention you can find it inside of chests as well. And there we go, we finally found one. It's essentially a smoking roller mine. What you need to do is attack it and get it to start igniting itself. It'll usually take just standing nearby it or getting your pet to attack it. Then eventually it'll either explode and drop you a blast core, or you can kill it and pick up a blast core. These things do a massive amount of damage, so don't take them lightly, but when you pick it up, you'll unlock the rare inner fire charm to keep you warm in the cold areas, and also the essence of damage, which is a super useful enchantment to place onto your weapon. Anyways, these things are pretty rare, so I'd recommend hanging around these underground caves pretty much as long as possible and explore as much as possible until you find maybe about 5 or 6 of these things, as they're just difficult to find if you don't live nearby these lava caves. Usually the deeper down you go into these caves, the more of them you'll find lying around. They're just a little bit annoying to locate. There we go, there's 3 of them down here in the lowest depths of this cave, and that's exactly what we're looking for. We can hopefully now make our way over them. There's just a ton of these skeletons in our way. Okay, so dealing with the entire skeleton population, we should now definitely be able to approach these things. These things we should be able to get rid of relatively easily. They'll start charging you as soon as they ignite, so we'll try and ignite maybe 3 of these things. Now we just need to stay well clear of them, otherwise they'll explode and most definitely kill us. Well, you saw one of them exploded, it almost killed me, surprisingly, but it knocked out the other 2, and just like that, we've got 3 of these things. That was really quick. I'll heal up, pick up my spoils of war, of which there's only 2. Okay, well maybe they don't always drop a blast core, but anyways. Oh, I think there's actually one under the ground here. I just saw its HP bar pop up for a second. Interesting. Well, that's what happened to the last one. If you'd like to find more, you can usually find them inside of chests as well, so make sure you check those as well while you're down here. We didn't find any in here though, and even though we don't have any weapons, we could probably get this one to explode and give us its stuff, or rather it'll just attack our village. Yeah, cool. Well, there we go. Another one. There we go. And hey, would you look at that? We even found a brute scale inside a chest all the way in a lava cave. Pretty cool. Now that we're finally back at base, we can craft an inner fire charm using 3 blast cores. Obviously, you'll want 2 of these, at least, maybe 3, to explore ice caves properly. So, collecting 8 of these, I definitely have enough. If I had one more, I could have created a 3rd one of these, completing us. Bright core we have tons of, ruby we have quite a bit of, and wool thread as well. As for other things we can build with it, I think we need 3 blast cores for a metal smelter. So we need 1 more of these in order to get a metal smelter and the things that we need to explore the cold areas. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Now you know where to find blast core. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.